In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and send recurring reports and dashboards in email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot to find your reporting assets and how to access the options that let you automate regular email delivery to your team. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct HubSpot account and that you have permission to view reports and dashboards. That ensures you'll see every option we're about to use. Start by going to the trial guide in your HubSpot portal. This page is a convenient jumping off point that gathers key tools in one place, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. If your window is small, maximize it so navigation labels are fully visible. That makes the next steps easier. Next, click on More. This expands the navigation to show additional areas that aren't always front and center. If you don't immediately see more, try widening your browser or scrolling the sidebar. Once opened, you'll have access to the sections where reporting and scheduling features live. From there, click on Reporting. This is the central hub for everything related to analytics, your dashboards that combine multiple visualizations and your individual standalone reports. Think of it as your command center for insights, sharing, and automation. Inside Reporting, choose whether you want dashboards or reports. Dashboards are great when you need a curated, at-a-glance summary for stakeholders, while reports are ideal if you're focusing on a specific metric or data set. Pick the one that matches what you want to deliver by email. It's a good practice to confirm filters, date ranges, and visual settings here first, because any scheduled email will mirror what you're currently seeing. That keeps your recipients aligned with the exact view you rely on. With your chosen dashboard or report open, click on Actions. This menu is where you manage everything: scheduling recurring emails, selecting recipients, setting the cadence, daily, weekly, or monthly, and choosing the format, such as a PDF snapshot for dashboards or a data export for certain report types. You can customize the subject line and message so the email is immediately clear to your audience. Use this same Actions menu to pause or adjust existing schedules, update the recipient list as your team changes, or export a one-time copy. A few tips as you configure: match the send time to your recipient's time zones, preview the output to confirm layout and filters, and start with a small group before rolling out broadly. That's it. You've navigated to reporting, selected the right asset, and opened the Actions menu where recurring email scheduling and management live. Save your settings, and your stakeholders will receive consistent, timely insights automatically.